hello, constantly getting distracted by pop-up notifications while trying to work or study? Windows 11 includes a productivity tool called Focus Sessions. It silences all distracting notifications, disables taskbar badges, and integrates a timer to help you get work done. Here is how to set it up step by step. First, click on the time and date clock at the bottom right corner of your taskbar. A notification overlay calendar panel will pop up. At the bottom of this menu, locate the Focus Timer widget. Click the plus or minus buttons to set your desired focus duration, such as 25 minutes. Click the Focus button to start your session. Do Not Disturb will turn on automatically, silencing incoming pop-ups and turning off taskbar icon flashing. To adjust detailed focus settings, click on your Start menu and open the Settings Gear app. Click on System on the left sidebar, then click on Focus on the right panel. Here, you can choose whether to hide taskbar badges, silence app notifications, or integrate Spotify for focus music. If this guide helped you, please like this video and subscribe to Tactim for more quick tech walkthroughs. See you in the next one.